Brazil, global rank 12. Argentina, global rank 28. Brazil, total aircraft 665. Argentina, total aircraft 228. Brazil, fighter aircraft 42. Argentina, fighter aircraft 24. Brazil, dedicated attack aircraft 76. Argentina, dedicated attack aircraft 8. Brazil, transports aircraft 125. Argentina, transports aircraft 24. Brazil, trainers aircraft 209. Argentina, trainers aircraft 70. Brazil, special mission aircraft 37. Argentina, special mission aircraft 13. Brazil, aerial tankers 2. Argentina, aerial tankers 2. Brazil, helicopters 171. Argentina, helicopters 87. Brazil, attack helicopters 0. Argentina, attack helicopters 0. Brazil, tank strength 466. Argentina, tank strength 414. Brazil, armored vehicles 41,516. Argentina, armored vehicles 21,724. Brazil, self-propelled artillery 136. Argentina, self-propelled artillery 75. Brazil, towed artillery 546. Argentina, towed artillery 172. Brazil, mobile rocket projectors 78. Argentina, mobile rocket projectors 26. Brazil, Navy fleet strength 112. Argentina, Navy fleet strength 47. Brazil, aircraft carriers 0. Argentina, aircraft carriers 0. Brazil, helicopter carriers 1. Argentina, helicopter carriers 0. Brazil, submarines 7. Argentina, submarines 2. Brazil, destroyers 0. Argentina, destroyers 4. Brazil, frigates 6. Argentina, frigates 0. Brazil, corvettes 2. Argentina, corvettes 9. Brazil, patrol vessels 22. Argentina, patrol vessels 13. Brazil, mine warfare 5. Argentina, mine warfare 0. Brazil, reaching military age annually 3,475,841. Argentina, reaching military age annually 693,685. Brazil, active personnel 360,000. Argentina, active personnel 83,000. Brazil, reserve personnel 1,340,000. Argentina, reserve personnel 0. Brazil, paramilitary forces 400,000. Argentina, paramilitary forces 20,000. Brazil, total population 217,240,060. Argentina, total population 46,245,668. Brazil, defense budget $18,785,000,000. Argentina, defense budget $3,064,800,000. Brazil, external debt $700 billion. Argentina, external debt $280 billion. Brazil, square land area 8,514,877 kilometers. Argentina, square land area 2,780,400 kilometers.